Purchasing Flying Blue miles. Flying Blue, the loyalty program of Air France and KLM, offers members the option to purchase miles to enhance their travel rewards. These miles can be used for various purposes, including booking reward flights, upgrading seats, and accessing additional services. Methods to purchase Flying Blue miles. Direct purchase. Members can buy miles directly through the Flying Blue website. After logging into your account, navigate to the Buy Miles section, where you can select the desired number of miles and complete the transaction. Subscription service. Flying Blue offers a Subscribe to Miles program, allowing members to receive a fixed number of miles monthly for a set fee. This subscription can be canceled at any time, providing flexibility based on your travel plans. Considerations when purchasing miles. Cost efficiency. Evaluate the cost per mile and compare it to the value you expect to receive from redeeming the miles. Purchasing miles can be beneficial if it enables you to secure high-value rewards, such as business class flights at a lower cash equivalent. Promotional offers. Flying Blue periodically offers promotions, such as discounts or bonus miles, which can provide better value. Subscribing to newsletters or regularly checking the Flying Blue website can help you stay informed about these deals. Expiration policy. Miles typically expire after 24 months of inactivity. However, engaging in qualifying activities such as flying with partner airlines or making purchases through Flying Blue partners can reset the expiration period. Alternative ways to earn miles. Flight activities. Earning miles through flights with Air France, KLM, and partner airlines remains a primary method. The number of miles earned depends on factors like ticket price, booking class, and membership tier. Partner programs. Engaging with Flying Blue's network of partners, including car rental services, hotels, and retail outlets, provides additional opportunities to accumulate miles without direct flight activity. In conclusion, purchasing Flying Blue miles can be a strategic way to enhance your travel experience, especially when utilized for high-value rewards. Assess your travel goals, monitor for promotional offers, and consider alternative earning methods to maximize the benefits of your miles.